Before we get into today's time lapse, I just want to let you guys know that my website was just redesigned and it now features a blog where I talk about all art related things, what I'm working on, future projects, new supplies, tutorials, tips, and everything like that. It also features a gallery showing photographs that I take myself of me as well as my artwork. All of my time-lapse videos and art tutorials are up on my website. You can watch them from there if you're on there and just don't want to switch to YouTube. My commission guidelines are up as well if anybody would like to email me about getting a custom portrait done. And of course, I also have my shop up there. FYI, all of my prints are currently buy one, get one free until further notice. Just use the promotional code BUTTERFLIES and you will get your second print free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know, I say this every time, but I know I haven't uploaded a YouTube video in a while, but this time it was not my fault, I promise. I don't know how many of y'all believe in Mercury retrograde, but that happened and it has been affecting my technology. Well, it started affecting my technology at the time, and now that it's over, it was still affecting my camera. So my memory card was not working normally. I wasn't able to transfer videos from her normally. I had to actually pop her out of my camera and stick her in my computer and go to a whole nother different folder to find my files and transfer them every time I recorded something. Also, it was only allowing me to record 20 minutes of footage instead of my normal 45. So that was a pain because I had to keep stopping every 20 minutes to transfer videos so that I could delete them and be able to film again. Mercury also affected like my Bluetooth. For some reason I couldn't do anything that required Bluetooth. So yeah, that was a pain, but I ordered a 128 gig memory card. I've been working with the 16 gig for the past 4 years. So I ordered like a way better memory card that's gonna allow me to film for hours instead of just 45 minutes. And yeah, that came today. So I shouldn't have this issue anymore. I should be uploading normally from now on. So anyway, enough about that. Today I am revamping, revising, whatever you want to call it, an old piece. This is something that I used to do all the time when I worked with graphite, because graphite is like easier to erase and kind of like rework or whatever. I would basically just go back to an old piece and fix it up to match like how my drawing skills are now, because with time you get better and better at drawing, and I would just go back and make things look more updated and more detailed. So I couldn't really do that with color pencil because it's not as reworkable, but working with soft pastel like I do now, it's super easy to manipulate and like cover up. And so I just thought I would show you guys my process and like how I do that, how I like change a drawing and make it look way more better and detailed. So a little bit of info about this particular piece. I painted it back in 2017. It was definitely one of my less popular pieces, not really well received or like shared by anybody when I posted it and I finished it. But I still really liked it, and I always kind of felt like it wasn't finished. So I just wanted to fix it up and like, I don't know, make it maybe to the point where it would be well received. I don't know. The inspiration behind it was just a photo of myself, of course. And also deer. Y'all know how I love deer. And as you can see, this is like the largest deer I've ever painted or drawn before. So she's very important to this piece. And I just wanted it to look like this really like dope kind of winter holiday piece, and like this forest, and yeah. So the improvements that I wanted to make to this piece is that I wanted to align her eyes. After I finished it, I was just staring at it for so long, and I knew her left eye was way too high because her face is like tilted and it should be a lot lower than the right eye, but it was kind of on the same level, if not higher, and it made her look kind of cockeyed. So I had to align her eyes. I also had to make her neck straighter because it kind of appears like her neck is like like lopsided or just too wide at the bottom, like where her neck meets her shirt. So I had to fix that. Um, I also wanted to like kind of define her cheeks a little more, give her like she has a little bit of contour, but not enough. And it makes her cheeks look really kind of flat and wide. So I wanted to like define them. I also want to shape her brows a little bit because they just don't look that cute. Another thing is that I noticed when I would like really look at this piece is that the pathway in the background is like just not realistic. The way it's curving and like how it sits on the painting is not like proportionally correct. Like if you were looking at a photo, if this was a photo and there was a path behind her, it would not, even if it was curved like that, it would definitely not be like positioned that way behind her. So I had to make that look more realistic. um and I also just, since it looks so empty, I wanted to add more forest behind her because it's supposed to look like this is supposed to look like somebody took a photo of her standing in front of a forest, but the forest is supposed to be like blurred, and her and the deer are supposed to be like the focus, while the forest is like blurred in the background, like a bokeh effect type thing. So yeah, I wanted to add more forest because it was empty and I wanted to make it look like that. So I think I achieved what I wanted to achieve. I finally felt like the painting was finished, and I'm really happy with how it came out. But I just wanted to share with you guys so you can see like exactly what I went through to make it go from this to this. I think that's like a cool thing to kind of see happen. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, because I'll definitely be going back to more older pieces and revising them and making them look 5 times better, I hope. Please leave a comment telling me what you think about it, which version you like better, and why. I promise I won't get mad if it's the first one. I don't think it will be the first one though. But yeah, just let me know what you think and share, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I upload something like this. And thank you for watching, and I'll have another video for you guys soon.